Hey guys, this is question MM136 of the Maths Methods Fortify study guide. We've got this question: solve the equation 2 cos of 3x equals root 3, where x is between pi and 2 pi. So as always, we've got this domain and there's multiple answers within this domain. So our first step is to find our base angle of 3x. So we know that 2 cos of 3x equals root 3, which means that cos of 3x equals root 3 over 2. Now the inverse cos of root 3 on 2 is equal to 3x, which means that our base angle for 3x is equal to the inverse cos of root 3 on 2, which is pi over 6. So you should be pretty familiar with this, the exact value triangles, where root 3 on 2, cos inverse of root 3 on 2 is pi on 6. So where we go from here is we know that x is between pi and 2 pi, but our angle here is 3x, not x, which means that if x is between pi and 2 pi, 3x has to be between 3 pi and 6 pi. So we just multiply out our domain by 3. Where we go from here is we have our new domain now, which is all cool, which means that in terms of our unit circle, because cos of 3x is positive here, we're looking for answers in quadrant 1 and quadrant 4, because that's where cos is positive. Our domain is from 3 pi, which is here, 3 pi, all the way around. Now we're at 4 pi here, all the way around to 6 pi. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3 answers, okay? So we know that we're going to have 3 answers for 3x, which means we'll have 3 answers for x, okay? So at this point here, we know that this angle here is pi on 6 because that's our base angle, which means that 3x is equal to, so 3 pi is here, 4 pi is here, so 4 pi minus pi on 6, 4 pi plus pi on 6, and going around again, because we're up to 6 pi here, 6 pi minus pi on 6. This is our first mark here, guys. Where we go from here is we get 3x equals 23 pi over 6, 25 pi over 6, and 35 pi over 6. Then we simply divide by 3 to get x. So 23 pi over 18, 25 pi on 18, and 35 pi over 18. This is our second mark here, guys. So the first mark comes by recognizing our base angle and the different values of 3x. And our second mark comes with our values of x. Guys, please let me know if you have any questions with this. The most important thing is to just make sure that you have all of your answers. And the way to do that is to just restrict this domain and do that. So let me know if you have any questions, but other than that, guys, have an awesome day.